Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, fire signs. Okay, so Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see. Will they reach out ngayong June? Okay, so yun ang tanong. Will they reach out? Kung sino man yun, I don't know. Let's see. Pero syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating po sa ating mga items. Oh yes, so again, they're all available. Okay, protection from evil eye, ring, necklace, bracelet, and syempre yung ating money and love bracelet. So meron kasi siyang citrine, actually citrine stone, citrine. So yung citrine kasi is money magnet. Okay, so masyado lang kasi tayo nakafocus sa love. So it's like 2-in-1 bracelet, love and money magnet. Okay, so yun ang na-attract niya, and good energies pagdating sa mga connections. Tatanggalin yung mga dapat tanggalin. Okay, if you fix, yung energy surrounding you both. Okay, and syempre yung ating granter necklace. So si granter yung taga-grant ng mga minamanifest mo. Okay, and syempre sasamahan mo ng evil eye ito para napoproteksyonan kung ano man yung minamanifest niya. Okay, yung ginagawa niya, like pinaprocess niyang makuha mo na minamanifest mo. Okay, so kailangan protektahan. And syempre yung ating pangtanggal, MALS. Ito yon, si cord cutting. Ano bang meron kasi every time na meron tayong bakit kasi meron tayong kailangan tanggalin? Kung ano man yung mga yon na nakakahapit pa rin sa'yo, lalo na galing sa past, nagbibigay yun ng pabigat. So it's like ang alat, no? So yun, ito yung ang ganap niya, ang gampan niya is alisin yung mga nagbibigay ng MALAS sa'yo, no? Okay. So let's see. Again, kung may tanong po, message us, no? Sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay. Fire signs, will they reach out this June? So, sino ba ito? Sino itong iniisip mo? Will they reach out? The Ace of Cups. Could be water sign. What's with this Ace of Cups? The Hangman. Okay, I think this is like a new love interest. Pwedeng hindi pa kayo nagkakausap nito. Okay, a new love interest. I-chat niya kaya ako. Like that. Ayun yung nakukuha ko, fire signs. Okay? So, naghihintay ka sa taong to na magbigay ng senyales. Okay? Signs. Yeah, this is new. The Fool. This is a new energy. This is not your past. So, maybe, mamaya, tingnan natin. Baka may makuha tayo. So, will they reach out? Tingnan muna natin bang situation itong taong to. So, this is your new love interest. Or maybe you're their new love interest. Let's see anong meron situation. Kasi may waiting dito eh. Oh, the Three of Cups in reverse. Okay. The Ace of Swords in reverse. Meron ditong takot mag-reach out. May takot na ma-reject. I don't know kung sino sa inyo ang in a relationship pa ngayon. Sino? You're eyeing someone, or maybe somebody is eyeing on you. Ginugusto ka, or maybe ginugusto mo. Kaso nga lang, meron dito na meron pang nasa isang connection. Kaya hindi pa magawang mag-reach out. Kailangan umalis muna. Kailangan dumisisyon. Okay? Kailangan mamili muna. Ang nakikita ko dito. Okay? Yeah, there's issue. conflicts. Okay. So, let's see. Gagawa ba ng paraan? Will they reach out? Kakausapin ka na ba nitong taong to? This is new. This is new. Okay. Kakausapin ka na ba nitong ginugusto mo? Ay. Gulat na gulat ang person. The Three of Swords. Diba? Ayaw natin ng third party dito, syempre. Okay, Three of Swords and the King of Wands. Ay! So, ito na. Yes, may chance na mag-reach out. Okay? And ang nakukuha ko dito is lande. This is cheating. Opo. 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 Yes. Opo. May chance ng pag-reach out na kung sino man to. Kung ikaw fire signs, alam mong yung tao is merong iba, or kung ikaw merong iba, I don't care. Outcome, or sabihin natin, ang nakikita ko dito, yes, merong pag-uusap. Okay? Merong pag-uusap. Some of you, sana walang mangyaring kemerut. Kahit wala pa mang label. Ha? Okay, ayaw natin na magkakaroon tayo ng infidelity dito. So, yun lang. Kinuha lang natin yung energy ng taong ginugusto mo. May chance bang mag-reach out? Yes. Yes. Sino mag-reach out? Kung sino yung may kakonek. Okay? Kung sino yung may kakonek, that's specific. So, kung ikaw yung may kakonek, pwedeng ikaw ang mag-reach out. Kung siya yung may kakonek, edi siya yung mag-reach out. Ngayong June, ha? Okay? So, next. Fire signs. What else? Next energy, please. Next energy for fire signs. Next energy. Ang bagal ng net ngayon. I don't know why. So, will they reach out? So, sino ba itong taong to? Fire signs. Who is this? The Eight of Cups. Umalis. Lumayo. Itong taong to. Pwedeng water sign. The Knight of Cups. Itong taong to, ang tawag dyan, lumubog lumitaw. Oo, lumubog lumitaw siya. Ngayon siguro lumubog na naman. Oo, the Eight of Cups umalis di lumubog na. So, tingnan natin. Hindi siya consistent. Hot and cold. Oo, yung tao. I don't know why. So, anong kailangan mong malaman sa situation ngayon? Fire signs. Some of you, bakit ito umalis? Diba? Anong dahilan? Yung iba sa inyo, hindi mo alam. Anong dahilan ng taong to? Bakit siya tumalikod? Bakit siya umalis? Bakit siya nanlamig? The Knight of Cups. The Knight of Wands. Okay. Sabihin natin, yes, hindi na tayo para magkunyari ditong mabait. Ha? May iba. This is cheating. The Knight of Wands. This is a player type. Player type. Okay. They're playing the field. Thinking the grass is greener on the other side. Isn't greener? Or hindi? Let's see. The Knight of Wands universe. Their player. Yeah. This person is sabihin nating lagi na lang hanap. Hindi na makontento. Naghahanap siya nito. Whether Empress or Emperor. Parang pag may nakita siyang kulang sa'yo, hahanapin nyo yun sa iba. Some of them, they're eyeing someone. Meron silang ginugustong iba ngayon. Okay? Ito yung dahilan kung bakit siya nag-no contact or lumayo, inalisan ka, nakipag-break, whatsoever. Meron tong nakitang iba. At yun yung parang sinusuyo niya ngayon. The Six of Swords could be, sabihin natin, kahit anong gender. Okay? Or kung hindi naman siya yung nanunuyo, siya yung nag-entertain. Yan, mga ganyang bagay. So, will they reach out? Will they reach out ngayong June? Fire signs. Will they reach out? Oh my gosh. Will they reach out? Fire signs. Will they reach out? Six of Wands. The Three of Pentacles. Death. The Chariot. Yeah. So for me, it's a yes. They will get your attention. Some of them, they will ask help. Mutual friends, kung meron kayong mutual friends. Okay? Some of them. Pwedeng may malalaman ka. Okay? Or parang, hindi ko alam kung siya mismo yung magpapakita sa'yo nang may ganito siya ngayon. Magpaparamdam siya. Ngayon June. Okay? Excuse me. Magpaparamdam sa'yo. Itong taong to. Pwedeng tatanong ka. Pagtatanong ka, pwedeng malalaman mo sa kaibigan mo or sa kaibigan niya na pwedeng gusto lang niyang malaman kung anong meron sa'yo. Judgment. Yeah, this is not like sabihin nating message as message, no? Hindi siya yung message talaga. Hindi siya yung talagang pagre-reach out na pwedeng gawin. Pero I'm hearing this energy, getting this energy of reconnection, like energetically. Okay? Magre-reconnect kayo. Excuse me. Judgment is here. Okay? So, may chance ngayong June ng reconnection pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Okay? So, there. Yun ang ating reading for you, fire signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Nasa description box below. Thank you. Bye.